we do believe. Oh, hopefully that's not damaged. We do believe that the engine is leaking oil from the valve cover. So
yeah, I could show you where it's leaking.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty drenched right there.
Oh yeah. All right. We definitely have a valve cover.
It does leave a puddle after it sits for a while down there.
Okay, so that would make sense because of the way the engine is slanted back in the engine compartment. So that's going to be today's project, is to try and rebuild the valve cover gasket. All right, we've got everything out of the way, and now, if you are ready, sir.
Yep, let's do it.
Let's see how disgusting this is. It's like a little puzzle. Ooh, look at that. Huh. Well, that's not actually really too bad inside, is it?
No, it's really not bad.
I was, I don't know, just sort of expecting it to be worse looking, but it's not bad.
I expect it to be a sludge ball.
Yeah. Huh. Got this annoying prop rod in my way that will probably kill us all if it falls.
Oh, sure.
Plastic, of course.
Does this hood go like vertical? If I take that off?
Oh, no, good point. You want to hold the hood? Here, wait, hold on. Take this down. Ready? Oh. Hey, look at that. Now we just got to find some way to hold it open like that. Wow, this is much better.
Yeah.
Maybe we can find a big stick or something.
Those 4x4s or something.
Yeah, all right. Wow, we'll get back to this in a bit. All right, there we go. I think that's that looks pretty good, huh? That's secure. I mean, we got it wedged in between bolts and stuff, right? There we go. Hey, all right. Yeah, like all right, now we can get a good look at this thing. I wish we'd have realized that before.
I know, right?
Now the prop rod's not in my way, and the hood's straight up. We got the light coming. Of course, the light doesn't work. I mean, honestly, this looks pretty clean in here.
It's pretty clean, really.
This is all I see. This is pieces of dried cork here. Probably fell off when we pulled the gasket out. All right, I guess we just got to get this cleaned up and get the new one in.
Yeah.
Put it in the back of the old storage transportation master.
Is that my car in the driveway? Did I drive home drunk again last night? I feel you remember getting in the car.
Looks like it's siliconed on there.
The gasket?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, look at that. Oh, you know what? It's on the outside. Somebody was like, hey, it's leaking. I'll just silicone where the leak is. And yeah, look, see? It's only on the outside.
That's making it easier to remove.
So somebody siliconed it from the outside thinking that they were going to stop the leak.
What if they make like a permanent dry one for this?
Oh, yeah. Instead of using this
Yeah,
stupid thing.
See if Autos don't have anything.
Yeah, you know what? Let's check before, because we got to go.
Much better gasket.
Yeah, I know. These cork gaskets are always iffy. And also, if your valve cover's not perfectly straight anymore, you know what happens? You get an oil leak at the valve cover. Some genius is like, oh, I'll just crank down the bolts on the valve cover. And then you bend the hell out of where the bolts go.
That happens with the small block Chevy.
Most of these look okay. I'll take a closer look once the thing's cleaned up.
They made one that I bought for my pal. It's got a metal support in the rubber membrane.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, that's handy.
They paid a few bucks more for them, but they don't leak.
Yeah, that's nice. How much was it compared to like a regular gasket?
The gasket said it was like $6. That one was like 25. But I'll have to do it again. So.
Powered by Ford. You don't say. Alright. Alright, look at this thing now. Look, you can even read this label on the front. Whatever it's supposed to tell you. Whole thing's all cleaned up. Outside. Oops. And inside. It's all cleaned up there. It's nice to have access to gigantic parts cleaners.
Yep.
Shellac up that gasket.
Oh yeah.
All cleaned and ready to go. Alright, gasket's in, valve cover's in. Clean the block off so that we should be able to see if it's dripping. Should be pretty obvious if it leaks. Look at that, looks like new. Wow. Alright. Okay, valve cover gasket has been replaced, and we also eliminated the air injection pump because it was bad. I don't know if necessarily the pump was bad. I think something on the something here had a leak, or something was making a whole bunch of puffing noises whenever the thing was running. So that's why the belt was never on it, or they took the belt off of it. But as far as it needs to pass emissions, so we just got rid of all of it. Yep, this thing ought to have mad horsepower now.
What do you think we might be up to? The factory's 84?
Yeah, maybe. Alright, we'll give this thing a start now. Hopefully our fuel leak has been fixed. We put supposedly fuel resistant sealant on here and on that going into the carburetor. So
It's also a new filter.
yes, we bought a new filter for it.
Readjusted the choke. Hopefully found a happy medium middle spot where it'll actually
Well, now we
function.
gotta get gas into the carburetor though, because it was empty, so take a little.
Or was it? Bowl might still have gas in it. That started right up.
Yeah. So I guess
How about the choke's already on?
Oh wow. Jesus Christ, that's a high idle. I wonder what it's supposed to idle at in the high idle mode.
No idea.
Is that cam adjustable?
It is adjustable. I adjusted it for the sheet that came with the carburetor.
Yeah.
Also has the electric choke working. I couldn't, this has no adjustment, but I can't
Right.
put it.
Oh, okay. Well, we got to get it replaced. Nothing on these.
Well, once we get the coolant down.
Yeah. Because these go down there to a valve of some kind, right? Rack and pinion steering. Oh, can't quite make it. Oh, that's park. Hey, you want to take that thing? Smells rich. You want me to open the door? You're driving through most of the outside water already.
Oh, you mean just drive around outside for a minute?
Yeah, I think it stopped raining.
Yeah, all right, yeah.